Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you are pretty well at your places and must be revising well for your upcoming EVS exam. Today, through this video, I'm gonna tell you how will you do to choose the correct options. That means MCQs. Once you are given with multiple choice answers, you need to read the question thoroughly and then choose the correct option. I repeat, we will be revising today. Choose the correct option means if we are given with more than one option for our answers, we need to find the correct one and then choose it. Let's begin. The first one is we get dash from sheep. We get dash from sheep, and sheep is an animal name from which we get either the options given to us are cotton, wool. Cotton, as we have studied in our chapter, we get cotton from cotton plant and we get wool from sheep. So our correct answer will be we get wool from sheep. So I have ticked here, the wool is the correct answer. I'm ticking one more time to make you clear. I'm using the different color pen here one more time to make you clear with it. So the correct option is wool. We have ticked it. Now the second one is, let's read second sentence now. Our skin helps us to dash. Our skin helps us to dash. And the option given are TASTE, taste, HEAR, here. There are two options given to us, and the third option will be, I have written the options only two and I'm adding one more option here, that is C option, which is feel. That is feel. Our skin helps us to taste, hear and feel. This one is wrong. What is the correct option here is feel. Our skin helps us to feel. As we know that we do have 5 sense organ and they better help us to know the word in a better way. Our hands, our legs, our eyes, our all body parts help us in many different ways, but our sense organ help us to know about the 5 senses, and skin is the largest sense organ and skin is all over the body and it help us to feel. It help us to feel. Let's read the third one now. We have dash fingers. We have dash fingers. These are fingers in my hand. How many fingers I do have in one hand? 5. So in total, how many fingers I do have? 10. Every one of us has 10 fingers in our hands. So what is the answer? 10. And do you know what we call fingers of our feet? Yes, we call them toes. We call them toes. T-O-E-S, toes. Let's read the fourth one now. We keep our dining table in dash. We keep our dining table in dash. Where do we keep our dining table in our house? The first option given to us is BATH, bath, ROOM, room, bathroom. The first option given to us is bathroom. And the second option given to us is DINING, dining room. So, we keep our dining table where? Dining room or bathroom? Dining room. What is the correct answer? Dining room. We do have a separate dining section. Sometimes we keep dining in drawing room also. If the house is not that much big, there is no separate dining area, then we keep dining in our drawing room, in our lobby area also. Let's read the next now. A house does not protect us from dash. Let me tell you students, house is a place where we feel really very safe because a house protects us from many things. What are those things? A house protects us from bad climate, wild animals, dust, rain, right? So what is the thing it does not protect us from? Here there are two options given to us, dust, and another one is S-I-C-K, sick, N-E-S-S, ness, sickness. So a house, sickness is बीमारी, diseases. So house, क्या हमारा हाउस हमें प्रोटेक्ट करता है सिकनेस से? नहीं कर पाता. हाउस हमें बैड वेदर से प्रोटेक्ट कर सकता है, जैसे कि विंडी है, क्लाउडी है, रेनी है, बाहर कोई स्ट्रॉम आ रहा है, या हाउस हमें प्रोटेक्ट करता है वाइल्ड एनिमल्स से. लेकिन हमारे हाउस में इतनी पावर नहीं कि वो हमें सिकनेस से प्रोटेक्ट कर सके. सिकनेस इज डिजीजेस, और डिजीजेस तो जर्म्स की वजह से होती हैं, और वो हमें हाउस प्रोटेक्ट नहीं कर सकता हमारा उससे. सो द राइट आंसर इज सिकनेस. लेट्स रीड द नेक्स्ट वन नाउ. वी मस्ट यूज अ टाल, TOWEL, टाल, तौलिया जिसे हम बोलते हैं, डैश. When do we use towel? After sleeping, after bath. When do we use? After bath. So the correct option is after bath. Let's read the next one now. I hope you are getting it. We are choosing the correct option. Quite easy it is. The next one, number 7, is we should trim our nails once in a week. Trim means to cut. Like nails, if we cut them, we trim them, so it should be once in a week. Is it true or false? It's true. It's true that we should trim our nails regularly once in a week. Why should we trim our nails? अगर हम अपने nails को trim नहीं करेंगे तो क्या होगा? It should be full of dust, germs, and we may fall sick. हम बीमार हो सकते हैं. So it's better to trim our nails on the regular basis. Here we move on to the next sentence. Number 8 is our dash helps us in jumping. Our dash helps us in jumping. The options are EYES, eyes, and LEGS, legs. So I have ticked here, the correct option is legs. Our legs help us in jumping. We have dash sense organs. I am reading the next sentence, number 9 now. We have dash sense organs. 6 or 5? Which is the correct answer? 5. What are those? What are the sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, skin, and tongue. What are those? Eyes, ear, skin, nose, and tongue. So I have ticked here that we do have 5 sense organs. Let's read the next one. We use gum boots in dash season. We use gum boots. Gum boots याद है आपको, हम लोगों ने चैप्टर में डिस्कस किए थे that they are the long boots. We generally wear them in either the snowy areas where there is so much snow, or we wear them in rainy season. When? Rainy season. So rainy is the correct option. I was given with two options, rainy and summer. So which one is correct option? Rainy season. So I have ticked here rainy. They are also used in snowy area. अगर हम जैसे कश्मीर या ऐसे किसी एरिया में जाते हैं जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा स्नो होती है, वहाँ पे भी we wear special kind of boots there, gum boots. They help us to walk properly. They help us to walk properly there. Let's read the next one. Kacha houses are built in dash. We have studied the two main types of houses, pakka houses, kacha houses. And kacha, as the name suggests, they are temporary houses. They are not very strong houses. So they are found in the option given is cities, villages. And very good, you all must be aware of that the correct option is villages. The correct option here is villages. Let's read the next one now. A good house must have dash around it. I repeat, a good house must have dash around it. What do you think? A good house must have what? GERMS, germs. GREENERY, greenery. So when do we say it is a good house? जब उसके अंदर वो सारी qualities होती हैं और अच्छे गुड हाउस में जर्म्स हो सकते हैं या ग्रीनरी? व्हाट इज बेस्ट? क्या होना चाहिए? इट्स ग्रीनरी. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज greenery. So these were the MCQs. These were how to find the correct option when we are given with more than one option. Hope you are clear with it. You need to practice the same ways so that I will be sending you a practice paper tomorrow to solve that properly. So it's better you read all the exercises of the chapters of your half yearly syllabus. Read them well, learn them, learn the book exercises, and then practice the same way. Have a good day, students.